Hello guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a game. It's called Can You Type It? And the game is about typing, so let me expand it and let's press it. Can you type the word advanced? Okay, advanced, enter. Congratulations, it checks if it's the word, and computer. Computer, congratulations. Feedback. Yes. No. Hey, I passed the typing test. And it starts all over again. So if I do something wrong, if I write like blah blah blah, enter, wrong answer, and it starts. Oh, it goes to the next one. Computer, wrong answer. Yeah, okay, so that's a game. Actually, I'm gonna show you the original game. Here is the original game, and it also asks, it gives you the text, the word, and you have to type it. It has a timer. We can actually make a timer too, and it has lots of code. It can be like hundreds of lines because there'll be lots of words to ask, and it's very simple actually. It's just repeating itself. So let's do it. Let's start from the very beginning. File, new. Let's delete this one, and we need a lady who will ask a question. So let's go to the little kitten, choose new sprite. Let's find, and here we have Avery. We will put her somewhere here. Let's do like 150, and Avery has to ask a question. Here we go to sensing, and in sensing we have ask a question. When the game starts, ask a question, and the question should be, let me make it bigger, and the question should be, can you type the word, then brackets, edit, and question mark. So can you type the word edit? And we need to check. So let's do it. You see, it's already, I can type it, but that's it, it doesn't check. I need to pull out the forever, and I need to check if else. If the answer, let's go to sensing, if the answer equals edit, so let's find equal. If the answer equals edit, then what? Then say yes. Say yes. Congratulations. Everything else, we should say wrong answer. And okay, let's put this question right out here into the forever loop, and that's our base block. We will just multiply and let's test it. Can you type the word edit? If I type anything, it says wrong answer. Can you type the wrong edit? You see? And because it's in the forever loop, so it just repeats itself. Okay, so we will just copy. We just copy this. We click here where the ask is, right click. Here it has duplicate, and we put it one after another. Duplicate. And duplicate. I don't know how many words you're gonna have in your typing test. Duplicate. That's it. So first will be edit, second will be no. You can actually make levels. Start with simple words and then complicated. No if it equals no. Everything else, let's do like yes, if answer equals yes, let's type it maybe. If it equals maybe, let's move it. The world can be a mug. If answer equals mug. And the last one, let's write hat. If answer equals hat. Okay, so if the last question is asked, you can say like, congratulations, you passed the test. You passed the typing test, like for 6 seconds. And let's expand. Can you type the word edit? Edit. No. Yes. Maybe. Hat. Hey, I passed the typing test. I wait like 6 seconds and it starts all over again. So if I do first edit, if I do wrong, like instead of no, I write something else, wrong answer, and it just goes to the next one, you see? And that's a game. You can put like few hundred words out here and you can make a test for kids, or you can make a game, whatever. You can ask, you can check one after another. That's it. That's a game. If you like it, you subscribe it. Also, don't forget we can arrange all kind of lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for Tamagiki Academia. Lots of fun stuff is going on. Also visit the website. See ya.